Welcome to Montevideo, the capital city of Uruguay. Some interesting facts about Montevideo. Did you know that? 1. The name Montevideo is believed to come from a Portuguese phrase, I saw a mountain. This must have been the Cerro de Montevideo hill, when it was first sighted by a sailor from the Magellan's expedition estimated around the year 1519. 2. The city was founded in 1726 by Bruno Mauricio de Zabala, governor of Buenos Aires, to counteract the Portuguese advance into the area from Brazil. And 3. Compared to other South American cities, Montevideo enjoys a mild climate, making it a very pleasant place to live all year round. Are you planning to visit Montevideo in the near future? Why not book a free walking tour with a local guide? This is a fantastic way to explore the city on a budget. It's free to book and there are no cancellation fees in case you decide to cancel your booking. You can find a booking link below on the description section of this video. And if you like the content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Pinterest. This will help us grow and produce more content like this. Thank you.